Hey guys, this is Jensen with the Jensen Post. That's it. Yeah, okay. Jokes aside, I bought this new keyboard. Yeah, if you guys been watching the Jensen Post and you have paid close attention to my desk, you'll actually have noticed that I used to use a stupid Dell keyboard that looks like this. Okay, I kind of put it out. Yeah, whatever. I'm done with using this. It's trash. Yeah, anyways, I'm just here to review this. I was gonna record the unboxing, but just kind of boxed it off. Anyways, there was nothing fun in it. It was just wires and like warranty cards. There's actually nothing special. But yeah, apparently this has a RGB. I don't know how to turn the RGB off. It's kind of annoying, but uh, yeah. So let's just try it out for a second and see how it goes. So we're gonna open Notepad on my computer. If I can find it. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, as you can hear right now, it doesn't sound that bad. Um like okay, let me just type something. Yeah, you can type stuff like this, whatever. Yeah, it does all the stuff that a keyboard should. It doesn't make a good. I don't know. Oh, when I bought this, like on the online e-commerce platform that I bought this from, it said that this was low sound, but I don't think this is that low of a sound. I don't know, man. This seems a bit weird, but I don't know. I like this color scheme: blue, red, and white. It reminds me of not America, actually. Yeah, it reminds me of Korea. But there's also like numpad. There's also a caps lock. There's also scroll lock. I don't know what that does. Yeah, but I have to find a way to turn off. Okay, well that worked, but yeah. So can turn off the turn on and off the RGB. It looks interesting. I don't know if I like it. Yeah, it looks really weird. Okay. Yeah. Um. It types nicely. It's pretty soft. The model is called ABKO MK108 membrane keyboard. I don't know what the hell that means, honestly, but you know, as long as it works, dude. There's also a pretty interesting button like this one. It just opens calculator. It literally just opens calculator. Yeah, it literally just opens calculator. Like if you click this key, it just opens calculator. I don't know why it does that, but I didn't even know you could set a key to do that. I mean, that's pretty interesting, but yeah. But whatever. You can actually. Okay, never mind. You can't hold down the calculator button. There's also the audio keys and everything. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to flood my desktop with calculators right now. Hold on. Okay, so it just took a moment to open all these calculators. Let's open Task Manager to see how much calculators we have. Okay, I mean, that's a lot of calculators, man. But they're all taking up, like, not a lot of memories. Okay, yeah, that's a lot of calculators. Yeah, but I really like this on computers. Like, you can hold down Alt F4 to just close multiple programs. It just looks like this cool wave. It's just... Okay, maybe I'm just special, but... Yeah. That's basically it about this keyboard. I mean... it's really hard to type with one finger. It has a nice feeling to it. The keys is pretty interesting. One of the reviews said that you have to press on the keys hard for them to work. I think that's just a skill issue because it works fine for me. So yeah, well, see you guys next time on the Jensen Post. Yeah, goodbye.